Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this delicious apple cinnamon cake with a cream cheese glaze. This is really tasty to have as a treat or for a Sunday brunch dessert. I don't know about you guys, but apple cakes are one of my all-time favorite desserts. So let's get started. I'm gonna start by putting my dry ingredients in my mixing bowl. I'm gonna add flour, baking powder, sugar, whisk it all up, just to make sure everything is quite combined before we get on with the next bit. This should do it. Then I'm gonna combine the liquids in a separate bowl. Let's add eggs, vanilla, softened butter, and yogurt. I whisk it briefly just to break up the egg yolks. Now I'm gonna add the dry ingredients in 2 portions. Make sure that everything is well combined, but don't overmix it. As always, you can also do this by hand using a whisk. Now let's fold the apple pieces in. Here you can vary the amount of apple pieces you're putting. When everything is incorporated, transfer the dough into a prepared baking tin. We're using a round 9-inch form. Before we can bake the cake, we're gonna spice it up with a cinnamon topping. Simply combine sugar with cinnamon and melted butter. Mix it until it has a smooth consistency. You just want to sprinkle it all over the cake. Make some nice swirls with a spatula to better integrate it into the batter. Now the cake is ready to go into the oven. We're gonna bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes. After baking, move the cake on a wire grid and take it out of its sheet after a few minutes. It is easier if you're using a cake lifter or 2. While the cake is cooling, we're gonna prepare the milk glaze. For that, we simply whisk milk with powdered sugar and cream cheese until it has a smooth and runny consistency. You can use a hand mixer or a whisk will do it too. When the cake cools down, drizzle the glaze all over it. You can do it like me, or fill it in a piping bag and make some neat lines. And this is our apple cinnamon cake. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I hope you like this recipe. Let me know in the comments. It's worth the work. I'll see you guys next week for another delicious recipe. And remember, baking is happiness. Goodbye!